Hey everyone, welcome back to Tools Advisor. Today we're checking out the top 10 best LED headlight bulbs you can buy right now. If you're tired of dim, yellow halogen lights, this upgrade is a total game changer for both safety and style on the road. I've personally tested dozens of options for brightness, beam pattern, and reliability to find the absolute best. The difference is night and day. We're talking massively improved visibility, a crisp white light, and a modern look that completely transforms your drive. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Termitor H11/H945 000 LM LED Headlight Bulbs. The Termitor H11/H945 000 LM LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a transformative upgrade to their vehicle's nighttime visibility and style. Featuring an exceptional 45,000 lumen output per pair, these bulbs produce a brilliant, wide beam pattern that dramatically illuminates the road ahead. Made with premium CSP LED chips and a robust aluminum body, they ensure exceptional brightness, color accuracy, and efficient heat dissipation for a long service life. Their compact, fanless design allows for easy installation in most vehicles without modification, providing a sleek, OEM-like fit. Whether navigating dark country roads or rainy city streets, this superior lighting solution enhances safety and driving confidence, making it an essential upgrade for any discerning motorist. FAHREN 2025 H11/H9/H8 LED Headlight Bulbs. The FAHREN 2025 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a brilliant, reliable upgrade for their vehicle's illumination. Featuring advanced COB chip technology and a 360-degree adjustable design, these bulbs produce an intense, wide beam pattern that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and safety. Made from premium aviation aluminum, the robust cooling system ensures exceptional heat dissipation for a remarkably long lifespan and consistent performance. Its compact, fanless build allows for a simple, plug-and-play installation in most housing units without modification. Whether you're navigating dark country roads or busy city streets, the superior brightness and durability of these bulbs provide essential confidence behind the wheel, making them an ideal choice for any car owner prioritizing safety and quality. FAHREN H11/9005 LED Headlight Bulbs. The FAHREN H11/9005 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a powerful and reliable upgrade from dim halogen lights. Featuring advanced CSP chip technology and a high-efficiency cooling fan, these bulbs deliver a brilliant 600% brighter, pure white beam that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and safety. Made from durable aerospace aluminum, the compact design ensures easy installation in most vehicles without modification, while the built-in intelligent SIN bus decoder prevents flickering or dashboard error messages. Its superior heat dissipation system guarantees stable performance and an exceptionally long lifespan, even during extended use. Whether navigating dark country roads or busy city streets, these LED bulbs provide a premium, energy-efficient lighting solution that is an essential upgrade for any vehicle owner prioritizing clarity and confidence behind the wheel. FAHREN and H13 LED Headlight Bulbs. The FAHREN H13 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a dramatic upgrade in visibility and safety for their nighttime journeys. Featuring state-of-the-art LED chips, these bulbs produce an intense, pure white beam that is significantly brighter than standard halogen bulbs, illuminating dark roads with exceptional clarity. Equipped with an advanced cooling system with a silent fan and flexible copper strips, they ensure optimal heat dissipation for maximum performance and a remarkably long lifespan. Their compact, plug-and-play design allows for a perfect fit in most housing units without complicated modifications, providing a hassle-free installation. Made from premium materials for superior durability and reliability, these bulbs deliver consistent output in all weather conditions. Termitor 9005 9006 LED Headlight Bulbs. The Termitor 9005 9006 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a powerful and reliable upgrade from dim halogen lights. Featuring advanced CSP LED chips, these bulbs produce a brilliant white beam that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and road safety. Made with a durable aluminum body and a silent cooling fan, they ensure exceptional heat dissipation for a long-lasting performance and stable light output. Their compact, fanless design allows for a perfect fit in most vehicle housings without modification, eliminating the hassle of bulky installations. Whether navigating dark country roads or city streets, these bulbs deliver superior brightness and efficiency. For any driver prioritizing safety and modern illumination, the Termitor LED bulbs are an essential automotive upgrade. Termitor 𝐋-11905 LED Headlight Bulbs. The Termitor 𝐋-11905 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a powerful and reliable upgrade for their vehicle's lighting system. Featuring advanced CSP LED chips, these bulbs produce a brilliant, pure white beam that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and road safety. Made with a durable aluminum body and equipped with a silent, high-speed cooling fan, they ensure exceptional heat dissipation for maximum longevity and stable performance. Their compact, plug-and-play design allows for a simple installation without any modification, directly replacing your old halogen bulbs. Whether you're navigating dark country roads or busy city streets, these bulbs offer superior brightness, energy efficiency, and a sleek modern look, making them an essential upgrade for any car owner who values clarity and security behind the wheel. FAHREN 𝐋-11905 LED Headlight Bulbs. The FAHREN 𝐋-11905 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a powerful and reliable upgrade from dim halogen lights. Featuring advanced CSP chip technology and a unique fanless design, these bulbs deliver a brilliant 600% brighter, pure white beam that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and road safety. Made from premium aviation aluminum, the innovative copper cooling base ensures exceptional heat dissipation for a stable light output and a remarkably long lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours. Its compact, all-in-one construction allows for a true plug-and-play installation in most vehicles without any flickering or error codes. Whether you're navigating dark country roads or busy city streets, these bulbs provide superior illumination, making them an essential upgrade for any car, truck, or SUV owner prioritizing safety and performance. FAHREN 9007 Bulb LED Headlight Bulbs. The FAHREN 9007 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a powerful, reliable upgrade for their vehicle's lighting system. Featuring advanced CSP chip technology, these bulbs produce an intense, pure white beam that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and road safety. Made from durable aerospace aluminum with a built-in cooling fan, they ensure optimal heat dissipation for a remarkably long lifespan and stable performance. Their compact, fanless design allows for easy installation in most vehicles without modification, providing a perfect halogen-like fit. Equipped with a robust anti-vibration structure, they withstand rough road conditions while delivering consistent, flicker-free illumination. Whether you commute daily or embark on long road trips, these bulbs offer superior brightness, durability, and energy efficiency, making them an essential upgrade for any discerning driver. SEALIGHT H4/9003/HB 246,000 LED Headlight Bulbs. The SEALIGHT H4/9003/HB 246,000 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking to dramatically upgrade their nighttime visibility and vehicle style. Featuring an impressive 46,000 lumens per pair, these bulbs produce a crisp, bright white light that significantly illuminates dark roads far beyond standard halogen performance. Equipped with a compact, fanless design and built-in intelligent cooling drivers, they ensure stable performance and easy installation without interference from dust or fan noise. Their durable aluminum construction and efficient heat dissipation promote a remarkably long lifespan for reliable use. Whether you're navigating poorly lit streets or remote highways, these bulbs deliver superior safety, modern aesthetics, and essential peace of mind for every journey. SEALIGHT Plus LED Headlight Bulbs. The SEALIGHT 9005 Plus H11 LED headlight bulbs are perfect for drivers seeking a dramatic upgrade in visibility and style from their stock halogen bulbs. Featuring advanced CSP chip technology and a high lumen output, these bulbs produce a bright, pure white light that closely mimics daylight for a safer nighttime drive. Made with an integrated cooling fan and an aerospace-grade aluminum body, they ensure optimal heat dissipation and remarkable longevity for reliable performance. Their compact, fan-cooled design allows for easy installation in most vehicles without modification, providing a seamless plug-and-play experience. Whether navigating dark country roads or rainy city streets, these bulbs deliver superior illumination, increased reaction time, and a modern aesthetic, making them an essential upgrade for any conscientious motorist.